Just moving.
Everybody's continued to push the envelope. Chris Milk's continued to push the envelope. Willow's continued to push the envelope. BECK's pushed the envelope. David's pushed the envelope. So the envelope is no longer an envelope. Let's just say it's a very large circle.
Everything is around 360, rotating tracks on the outer side as well as the inner side.
They don't make many of these, and they certainly don't make the turntable 56 feet.
Some very smart people have created an array of GoPro cameras so that it covers 360 degrees in a horizon, plus a camera for up and a camera for down. So the final product will have you being able to look at a piece of video, and while it's actually rolling video, you can track around any direction.
It's very intricate. It's 250 microphones. It's really about immersing yourself in the audio.
I think we're about ready to start.
The thing with BECK is that he never stops refining until it's time to either release the album or go on stage.